We are pleased to show you the 2018 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, heated front seats, fog lights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.